At this point, we have installed VirtualBox and we have installed Kali Linux. The next thing we need to do is update our Kali Linux machine. And so the way we're going to do that is you can do it through the graphical environment or you can do it through the terminal. Now, I prefer to do it through the terminal, and I'm going to show you that because if you're going to start doing hacking, you really got to get comfortable with using the command prompt. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on the terminal, which is the second icon on the left. It has this little $ and the underscore, and it's called the terminal. So if you click on that, it'll load up, and you'll see this root at Kali, and then this # or hashtag as the young kids like to call it. And I'm just going to make this a little bit bigger so it'll be easier for everybody to see. And what we're going to do is we're going to do what's called apt-get, which is going to allow us to update our software. So what we're going to do is called apt-get, apt-get, and then put a space and then the word update. And when you hit enter, you are going to actually download any new packages since the VM was created. And so in this case, it's got the list of packages, but it hasn't installed them yet. Now, for us to go ahead and install that list of packages, we're going to type in apt-get and then the word upgrade, and then hit enter. And as you can see, you're going to get a lot of text, and it's going to say, do you want to continue? It's going to take 27 megabytes of disk space. Yes, I want all the latest software. So why enter? And it's going to go ahead, read the changes, download the software, and install it all for us. It's that easy to upgrade the system. So again, it's apt-get, and then do update. That gets you the list of what's changed, and then apt-get space upgrade, which is actually going to do the installation. I'm going to let this continue to run. It'll take a couple of minutes, and then we'll get back to the command prompt. So at this point, we're going to hit Q, and it's going to go on to the next install. Okay, and that's it. Your install has been completed with all of your updates, and you now have a good, clean Kali Linux box to work from. So the next thing I want us to do is I want us to shut down this box. So what we're going to do is we're going to close the terminal by clicking the X in the upper right corner. There's this little triangle in the upper right hand corner. If you click on that, you'll see what looks like a power button. Click on that and then click on power off. And what that's going to do is virtually shut down the machine that we were just dealing with. You can see it goes to a black screen. It's going to stop all the background processes, and then it's going to shut itself off, which is going to finish all of our installs for us and make sure that we're all done. So once Kali shuts down, you'll see in VirtualBox that you have this powered off Kali machine.